Let's take a look on how projects, programs, and files are created. To create a new project, you right-click at any spot of the Project Explorer and go to New 4GL project. In the opened window, you type in the project name and choose its location. After this, your new project is created and you can see it in the Project Explorer. If you select the project and switch to the Program Explorer, you'll see that it is empty. To create a new program, you right-click any spot of the Program Explorer and go to New 4GL program. In the opened window, you type in the program name and specify its source folder. After this, your new program is created and you can see it in the Program Explorer. To create a new source file, right-click the program name and go to New 4GL source file. In the opened window, you type in the source file name and choose its source folder. After you click Finish, your source file is created, as you can see it here, and opened in the code editor. To explore the code editor, let's write a simple program. When writing your program, you can use the Code Assist, the prepared list of all statements, functions, and keywords of the Queryx 4GL. To launch the Code Assist, you press Ctrl+space. Now, when the program is created, you can see that Lycia Studio employs the basic syntax highlighting scheme. Statements come in violet, variables in black, functions in black italics, and quoted strings are in blue. If we add a comment, it will come in green. To make it easier for you to work with your code, you can try and use some additional Lycia Studio functionality. For example, you can add line numbers by right-clicking the left margin of the code editor and choosing Show Line Numbers. When your 4GL program is ready, you can build and run it.